Good afternoon. We're here to do some Tannerite, and we've got kind of a special occasion today. My wife here last April fell down the cellar stairs, broke her ankle and her tibia, resulting in surgery and 13 screws, I think, and several plates. So over the last year or so, she has been in this walking boot. She's all good to go now, pretty much all healed, and this thing has seen its day. So she wanted to come out and blow the crap out of it. So we brought you along for the ride, and hope you enjoy. Okay, so here's the boot, and what we've done is we've put this 2-pound container of Tannerite in there. So we're gonna go set this up, set the camera up, and then we'll see what happens. So this is what's left. This is the carnage. Completely blew the table, or the little desk here that we had set it on, completely apart. As you can see, there's pieces of the boot scattered everywhere. Here's part of the tread, some of the inside. It's everywhere. I wish I could have gotten a little closer for you guys, but I didn't want a chance losing or ruining my phone. So yeah, it's everywhere. So how's that make you feel?
Absolutely wonderful.
All right, very good.